Who is responsible for a car accident if someone else is driving my car or if I lent it to a friend? You have auto insurance to protect you from financial liability in case of an accident. So the question is, does that protection extend itself when someone else, not you, is driving your vehicle and gets into an accident? Most likely, yes. Many policies will cover damages made to your car when you give another person permission to operate your vehicle. Even in the event your car is stolen and involved in an accident, your insurance will most likely cover the damages. But there are exceptions. Your policy won't extend coverage to a friend, family member, or neighbor who borrows your car without your permission. Additionally, if you lend your car to someone who gets into an accident while driving under the influence or who has an invalid driver's license, your policy will not cover the damages. In those cases, the driver will be held liable. Of course, there are exceptions and conditions that apply to all automobile accidents and insurance coverages. That's why talking to your local Trusted Choice independent insurance agent is a good idea. Not only will you get all the answers to your questions, but it's a perfect time to look at your policy for additional coverage needs or discounts. Because your Trusted Choice agent is free to choose from many carriers, you can be sure you're getting the right policy at the right price. Be independent. Go independent.